3, 2, 1. Hey, what's up mga bad boys? Baguhan pa lang sa channel ko, mag-subscribe na ka dyan at pinutin yung notification bell para
A few moments later.
Videos. For more comics this video, click to subscribe, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment, like, description box below. For today's mail vlog, QJ Motors SRT 800 model 2024 aspect. Engine type 2-cylinder, line 2, 8 valves, double overhead fan, liquid cooled. Engine displacement 754 cubic centimeter. 4-stroke 88 mm by 62 mm. Maximum power 75.1 HP at 8,500 RPM. Maximum of torque 67 Nm torque at 6,500 RPM. Fuel system, electronic fuel injection.
1 hour later.
Transmission, change, speed gear. Clutch type, manual multi-plate with clutch. Front suspension, telescopic upside down fork. Rear suspension, swing arm, KYB. Front tire size 120/70 R17 alloy by 110 by 80 110 by 80 R19 spoke edition. Rear tire size 180/55 R17 alloy. Front brake dual disc 320 mm ABS with ABS. Rear brake single disc 260 mm with ABS. Seat height millimeter 81 mm by 835 X edition. Dry weight 254 kg by 260 edition. Overall weight millimeter 2,240 by 2,260 edition. Weight overall weight 950 mm. Wheelbase 1,540 mm. Ground clearance 160 mm. Fuel capacity 18.5 liters. Battery 12 volts. 12 amperes. Itong motor na to isa siyang adventure bike na 800cc 800 na inline 2 cylinder na nasa Caloocan 10 Ave at mabibili nyo to nasa 885,000 pesos. Tong torque naman niya 67. Hindi na kayo bibitinin niya 67 Nm top na siya. Malakas to. Nasa 6,500 RPM. Yung clutch type naman niya manual multi-plate with clutch with ASC. Yung naman niya, yung front suspension adjustable preload. Upside down fork. Tapos display na rin siya 3 modes. Road range sport. Road range sport. Tatlo yung mode niya. Tapos yung naka-shock niya sa likod, preno niya ay naka 260mm with ABS. Single siya. Tapos suspension niyan, naka-swing arm na KYB. Telescopic na rin yung ano niya, front shock, telescopic fork. Tapos, kung lagi ka na gagawin sa akin channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the notification bell for more updated for upload these my videos. Ito naman niya, yung naka-spoke rim na sila. Spoke rim siya, 120/70R17 alloy. Naka-tubeless siya, tubeless. Tapos yung rear naman niya, 180/55R17 alloy with spoke. Tapos, yung timbang niya ay 254 kg. Displacement niya 754 cubic centimeter. Kung lagi ka nang gagawin, kung hindi ka pa nang subscribe ka na at notification bell for more updates for upload these my videos. Ang fuel system naman niya electronic fuel injected o EFI. At display 5 inches QHD display. Tapos may cruise control, may auto blip, may quick shifter. Transmission yan change 6 speed gears. May quick shifter na rin, may auto blip. Nabibili nyo to sa Caloocan. Bristol, Caloocan, or sa may Commonwealth meron na rin to. Ito mo siya, shoutout naman tayo. Shoutout kay Read for Speed, shoutout kay Gemma Motovlog. Pwede nyo rin bilhin nyo friend sa may Dream Bike BH sa may kay Red Sweet, pwede nyo rin mabili. Meron nandun yun. Kaso second hand lang siya. Second hand. Kayong dalawa na lang mag-usap kung anong presyo ang bibigay sa'yo. Mag-deal. Ito siya, shoutout naman tayo. Shoutout kay Read for Speed. Shoutout kay Gemma Motovlog. Shoutout kay Boss Big Motovlog. Shoutout. Shoutout kay Palupo sa Motovlog. Shoutout. Shoutout kay Nach Abdul Motovlog. Shoutout. Shoutout nga kay Nach Abdul Motovlog. Shoutout. Shoutout nga kay Huge Motovlog. Shoutout. Shoutout kay Sarah Motovlog. Shoutout. Shoutout nga kay Mixteki Motovlog. Shoutout. Shoutout nga kay Noisy Potato Motovlog. Shoutout. Shoutout nga kay Jeff Rocks Motovlog. Shoutout. Shoutout nga kay Noisy Potato Motovlog. Shoutout. Shoutout nga kay Kaki Motovlog. Shoutout. Shoutout nga kay JTB Katagumpay. Shoutout. Shoutout nga kay Hammerman Motovlog. Shoutout. Dito ko natatapusin ang aking vlog. Kung hindi ka subscribe, click notification bell, click subscribe, and ring the bell button for more updates for upload these my videos. Dito ko ng aking end ng vlog. Thank you for watching this my vlog. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you for watching this my vlog. See you on the next vlog. Babush. Babush.